Hi everyone, how are you? In this video, I will show you step by step how you can make money online with YouTube even with 0 subscribers. Stay tuned and follow up. Let's see this. This is an example from my YouTube channel. I published this video in November 17, 2018. So it's like 2 years ago. If you look at my analytics, on my views, you will see I'm getting a stable, a fixed number of views on this video from 2 years till today. So every day I have like 200, 300 views on this video. If you go to my details, to my video details, to my description here, you will see in this video I am linking, you can see this short link, I am linking to a product, to my premium course. So if you go to my link tracker and you will see the link here, I got like 2,000 clicks in the last 2 years. If you go to my Udemy revenue and go down, let's select any month like this one as an example. And let's see here my earnings from this course. It's like $900. Let's pick up another month, anyone like this one. You will see this course $700. So in this way, I am earning passive income without doing anything from YouTube promoting my course. Now you may tell me I don't have a course, I don't have a product. Don't worry. Let's see the second example. This is my other video published like 1 year ago or more. Also, I'm getting everyday views on this video. You can see this is the views. Let's see it. Every day I have views since published. And if you go to the description, you will see I am promoting this product, this affiliate product, a product called MailWiz, an email marketing application. You can see this link. If you go here to track it, you will see, let's see, MailWiz. It's around 1,300 clicks coming from my video. So this is also another example promoting my product. If you go to impact and see the earnings of this product, you can see the sale amount is like $2,000. Total earnings is like $600. So there's only one example, one video promoting an affiliate product. This other example promoting my product. So whether you have your own products, whether you want to promote affiliate products, you can apply this strategy starting from 0 subscribers. And a simple proof is this video. I published it 2 years ago when I had no subscribers. It's like the third video on my channel where I had less than 10 subscribers. So I published it 2 years ago and till today I'm still earning passive income with those videos. So imagine you have like 10 videos, 20 videos on your channel, how much money you can make passively online following the strategy I explained in this video. But before we start, please don't forget, if you want to watch more videos like this about digital marketing, online business, making money online, please don't forget, subscribe now to my channel and turn on notifications to get every new update almost every day. And by the way, I'm now on Instagram. If you have any private request, you can just follow me and send me a private message and I'll be more than happy to follow up with you. So let's start together what we are going to do to start making money online with YouTube even with 0 subscribers. Okay friends, so this strategy is all about 4 main steps. Number 1 is finding and searching for an evergreen content for YouTube, an evergreen topic. Number 2 is creating and publishing the video about this topic. Number 3 is linking to your affiliate product or the product, maybe it's yours, related to this topic. Step number 4 is sit down and relax and watch your revenue. That's simple. So let's see, what do we mean by step 1, finding an evergreen content. What do we mean by evergreen content? If you go here and search for evergreen topics for YouTube, let's search on Google, you'll find this list. Let's read them: educational content, testimonial, case study, define best practices, engage with world issues, and so on. So what are these topics? Simply, in 10 seconds, these topics are topics that can be watched today on YouTube, and after 1 year, and after 2 years, and maybe after 10 years from now. So you publish once on YouTube and this video can still get views after years from now. If you go back to my example, this is a tutorial. So you can see here educational or explainer videos. So this is a tutorial about web servers and especially about Windows IIS. So this is a free tutorial that people watched 2 years ago and still watch today, and they will still watch after 2, 3, and 4 years because it will help them to learn about web servers. That's simple. So simply you need to find a topic that can get views on the long term. This is what we mean by evergreen content. You can search for this on Google. I don't know what's your interests and whatever, but what I do, what works with me is mainly tutorials, case studies, and explainer videos. If you go now to my channel, let's open my channel. You will see it's all about educational videos about digital marketing and online business. And sometimes I mention some case studies. You can see like this one here. Let's go. This one, this is a case study. This one, a case study. This one, a case study. So usually case studies also will still get views on the long term because people love to watch case studies and learn from your mistakes or from your successful experience. Anyway now, so step 1 is to find evergreen content or evergreen topic to publish a video about. Step 2 is to publish the video, create and publish the video. So in my case, I am publishing educational videos. I record the screen, maybe myself. And by the way, don't say I don't like to go on the camera, so I will stop working. No, you are not obliged to go on the camera live. You can simply use applications like Camtasia Studio, like I do, to record the screen without your face. Just create a tutorial and you will see on YouTube a lot of people do this. So create the video about this topic, create the tutorial or whatever about this topic and publish on YouTube. Now, when you publish it, here we have something very important. You need to rank your video. You need to optimize your video so it can rank on top of YouTube. I will show you this. If you open now youtube.com and search for this keyword like IIS, okay? Now you will see that my videos are on top of YouTube. And this is why I am getting views almost every day, because I am ranking on top of YouTube. If you search for the second video, MailWiz as an example, you will see that my video on top of YouTube. If you search as an example for this keyword, you will see now that my videos are on top of YouTube. You can see this is why I'm getting views almost every day on the long term. And this is how I can promote my products or affiliate products from YouTube. And what's nice about this, it's passive. Think about it. Just I publish once, I optimize it, and when the video ranks, I will get always organic views from YouTube and passive income. So even if I go now and take a vacation in the North Pole and sit there for 6 months and come back, I will open YouTube, I will see views, I will see earnings, and this is the power of passive income online. So you do the hard work once and then you just leave it and sit down in step 4 and watch your earnings. That's really great. Think about it. Now the main question you may ask now, or anyone can ask, is how I optimize the video to rank on top of YouTube. Now to be honest with you, there is no secrets or tricks. So you can do something and your video will be on top of YouTube like a magical trick. No. You simply need to optimize your video metadata and your video content so YouTube can know exactly how to rank it on which keywords. And by the way, I explained this in detail here on my channel, how to rank your videos step by step. But in just 2 minutes, I want to show you this. And if you want more details, you can go to my YouTube playlist and watch the videos in detail. As an example, If I go here to my free tool, hsupertools.com, and then go here to YouTube keyword tool. Now let's say I want to publish a video about maybe email marketing or whatever. So I say here email marketing and click on search in this tool. And now it will give you for each keyword, the monthly search volume and the difficulty on YouTube. So what you have to do here is to find some keywords that have a couple of thousands of searches on YouTube and at the same time the difficulty is low. As an example, this keyword, email marketing for beginners, is a good keyword to target. Email marketing strategy is a good keyword to target. As an example, you can do a video about email marketing strategy case study. As an example, maybe it works for you. So like this one, what is email marketing? We have 3,000 view, monthly search volume, and somehow low competition. So in this way, you go to hsupertools and start searching for keywords and topics that have somehow a good amount of searches per month and at the same time low difficulty. And start creating videos about these topics and linking to your products or affiliate products. If you go back here to my channel, if you go down, you will see that I'm ranking on top of YouTube. You can see this green and blue, ranking number 1, number 2, number 1, number 1 on all these keywords for this video. If you go to the second video, go down here, you will see I'm ranking on top of YouTube for a lot of keywords. So this is how things work. You need to select a keyword with low competition, with a couple of searches per month, and then optimize your tags and your description and your title for this keyword. And one of the best tools to do this is a tool called Morning Fame or morningfa.me. It's Morning Fame. And you go here to the keyword research as an example and search for a keyword. Let's say email marketing for, and it will give you a list. You can see, like, let's say this one, email marketing for beginners 2020. And let's search for this and it will show you this keyword. Go to step 3 and now it will give you detailed analysis on how to rank this keyword. And if you go to step number 4, you will see it will give you recommended tags. So you can just copy and paste in your channel. I use this tool almost every day when I want to publish a YouTube video. It really helps me a lot to understand my channel and rank my videos on YouTube. So this is how things work. Find a topic, find the best keywords, publish the video, rank your video, link to your products or affiliate links, and then watch your revenue. This is how things work. This is how you can build a passive income strategy on YouTube, even if you don't have any subscribers, because simply getting views is not directly related to your number of subscribers. If you are following my videos, you know, like maybe 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, I had 50,000 views each 48 hours. And I had like 50,000 subscribers. Today, I have 80,000 subscribers, but I have 30,000 views each 48 hours. So there is no direct relation between the number of subscribers and the number of views. Maybe one video will go viral and get millions of views and you have only 5 subscribers. There is no direct relation. I'm talking from my experience. I'm trying to help you. Just forget about the subscribers and try to build something that really works on YouTube, on your channel, and forget about any excuses that preventing you from starting your online business. Thank you for following and see you later.